Question 1. So, question 1 is calculate each of the following. Part A, 3 to the power of 4 times by 10 to the power of 3. Well, we know that 3 to the power of 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We need to work this out. Make it easy for yourself. 3 times 3 is 9, so 3 times 3 is 9. And times those resultant answers, that gives us 81. We also know that 10 to the power of 3 means 10 times 10 times 10. Be careful, the answer is not 30. The answer is 10 times 10, which is 100. 100 times 10, which is 1,000. So then we've got 81 multiplied by 1,000, which gives us 81,000. Part B, 1 divided by 0.5. Well, it's quite difficult to divide a whole number by a decimal. We can think of it as how many halves go into a whole one, which is 2. Or we can use equivalent fractions, multiply the bottom by 2, multiply the top by 2 to leave us with 2 over 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Part C, 5.6 take away 3.82. What I would do here is line up the decimal points with a column sum. And remember, it's take away. So many people add them, they don't take care of the sign. And there's a missing place value, so we can put 0 in there. So 0 take away 2. Again, it's not 2. Make sure you borrow from the 6, so 5, and that's 10. 10 take away 2 is 8. 5 take away 8 we can't do, so we borrow from there. 15 take away 8 is 7. Decimal point, 4 take away 3 is 1. So the answer for this question is 1.78. Then part D, the common wrong answer here is 3 over 3. That is wrong. With fractions, when we add or take away, we need a common denominator. So what we could say is, well, let's multiply the whole of this fraction by 2. So it ends up being 5 over 6, take away 4 over 6, to leave you with 1 over 6. And then part E, a couple of ways of doing this question. You could imagine that there's no decimal point in there. Work out 2 times 3, which is 6. The decimal place is 2 places, so you can put the decimal point back in 2. So the answer would be 0.06, such as this. 0.2 times 0.3 is 0.06. Or a slightly alternative way of working this out is write them as fractions. So 0.2 is 2 over 10. 0.3 is 3 over 10. When you multiply fractions, 6 over 100, which is the same as 0.06.